Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. So today we still have mommy here. And the last time we spoke to you guys, we were at BJ's. We didn't get a chance to go back to the Caribbean store and to Stop and Shop. So today we're going to use one stone and kill many birds. So we're going to do all of that, plus go get some shopping done. And the first thing we're going to do is to run by Jan. Then we're going to go to the Caribbean store, then Burlington. Then maybe stop at my famous store. I haven't stopped there in a long time. Rainbow. We need to check out Rainbow. Dollar Tree, Stop and Shop, Whole Foods, Marshalls, Walmart, a whole heap of things we are doing today. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on in the comment section, and share. Alright, so next time you see us, we will be at somewhere. Okay, subscribe. That's road. Let's see now what they can meet over here. Chicken. I'm not buy the fish from one is pork. Pork neck. Over this, much other than over this. Chicken, a chocolate Stop and Shop. And America thing, so it's expensive. Careful. You get some red snapper too. You get that Stop and Shop? Right, just now. I think that's Stop and Shop. Some mutton. Some fish. The fish fillet, I get a Stop and Shop. Some of the pork I feed Christmas. I just buy the mutton steak. Kingfish, snapper, chicken.
Scallion and thyme.
Scallion and thyme, Stop and Shop. We get Jamaican things all up here because they're expensive when they come on to any other things. Peppermint tea. This finished this morning.
So what then drink? Do you pull this one?
Yeah, I pull one, but I like to have backup. I don't want to wait until that is finished before. Huh? That's not selling here. They're not selling here.
Oh yeah.
Me get that Stop and Shop. Hold on, let me just take a photo. Caribbean Dream. And normally Grace me text it.
Caribbean Dream is good.
Yeah, I Grace I use. Grace is the thing Grace. It don't matter. Alright, then I'll take this one tin boom. Chunky one. Wait, hold on, what's the difference? You have what's the difference? They change
You have chunky is different from
sorry.
Yep. It's chunky.
Yeah, me get that, but what difference with this? No, big old man see me.
No.
I take long share that, because without this a long time I don't tin boom.
It's chunky.
Yeah, you can manage. Drop man. Coconut milk powder.
Have the jerk season.
Yeah, that was jerk season. Cheese sausage face. So let me tell you, if you carry certain things, because we have everything up there, man.
That is what I see.
No joke. Bully beef, Grace bully beef, same here. Yeah, we don't miss nothing. Everything there. Sorry. Come on. Alright, pumpkin. Yeah, I try to tell me if I can't come to market, you come inspect everything I'm going to go. Alright, come, let me tell you. Capture, let me tell you what I want to happen. She always compares to the cabbage, always green. I see you have to go a smaller one. I don't want the small one.
Two-piece are better.
I don't want 2 piece. I don't want 2 piece. Find one reasonable people or reasonable big piece. How much is that piece right there, sir?
Head drive.
Yeah.
I can know when they drive. It's a good pumpkin, I see them. Where you see them? So,
Alright, just drop 1 piece of one. Alright, some more. Small yam, yellow yam and white yam. And dasheen. That's it. One of my cocoa. Cocoa this?
no, it's a that's all.
Yellow yam, white yam. Let's see.
So look good long as a look showy right there, so.
Look good?
Yeah. That's it.
Teach big driver off to drive rude. Alright, so we're here in Burlington now, guys. Alright, we look for warm clothes. Let's look for it. You don't need no skirts. Skirts? So let's find, we have bottoms, jeans. I feel time now, I don't know if it work, you know. I understand when you think they work before you need to work it. Yeah, good on it.
Pajama then?
No, they're not pajamas, but I don't. You like this plaid? Look over there. This one look cute.
Yes, yeah, choose now, you know.
No, you choose. This is something where you like it. Some more sweatpants. This can fit you. Extra large.
Yes, extra large.
Why not? Put it as if it's length. If the length is 19. Yeah? And feel it inside. Fleece. Okay. Perfect. Okay. What if I got close to people? But just don't say what you can't, you know. Come here. What about? Let me cover that one now. No, this. For Christmas dinner. Yeah? Yeah? Alright, we're fine on top. Oh, Jesus.
That time I gonna say, you take me to some puppy show. It's nice.
That is nice. What you wear?
Belfort.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
And you have pocket.
What size is it? Is that something
Extra large.
that can fit you? That look
Belfort,
nice.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, see one of them they have on when they come pick up at airport.
Oh, this is nice.
It look yeah, moment the waist can fit you? The waist, not this one.
I'm assuming it's not bigger than
Okay. Not nice.
and this is extra.
Okay. No man, I didn't put it away. It's a one thing I don't like in-store shopping. I understand if you go through all of them something, I not have the energy. So next woman.
Yes. I think this is empty now.
No. Alright, do you think you have enough of that? Do you want more? Because you need jeans. You need something more dressy. These are like casual stuff. This is so cute though. It's white, but it's so cute. You like this? It's white, but hold on, this is nice.
Yes.
You like this? She said yes. That's nice. I think we have enough sweats. What do you think? Good? The only thing I wanted to have like a black. Oh, this is a 2-pack. It's a pack of 2. Oh, mama, yo. A pack of 2, mommy. That can't be that can't fit at a large though. I'm not gonna look on anything else over here. Let's look on jeans. Let's find some jeans. What size you wear, mama?
60.
16 up here, so 14 right there. So 14 and 16 right here. These are all 14s. I'm at 12. 14 start yes, sir. The jeans is not jeansing. I want your moment. This is my put it in right now. That girl style right there. You understand? Oh my god. That girl style is on me. You know, no cut up jeans. So she don't know the style of no people. You just look at old me and you. How is this style? Size $110. Just a normal surprise price making a price. I mean I just should up pay for it now, but Mike of course. You like that? And I see it's a waist look big.
Jesus.
Cargo.
It's not look bad.
It look big though.
Yeah.
This is a 16.
16.
Yeah.
I tell you, say 16 and kind of
You should wear it sneakers. You know, wear it this with those. It's like a regular straight-legged pants. Cargo. You like that? Let's go look at some tops. Yeah, you want it? Let me put this on. You don't want it? Show man, cause your daughter have it like that. If we can't do it, we go clean some floor, wash some dishes somewhere. Why? We need shirts or sweaters. I feel like we need more sweater than shirts. Alright? It's what we have on, mommy. It's have on.
Yeah, something like that.
Eh.
Yeah.
Down that small or medium. This looks cute. Is something you would like? That looks
This
nice.
look nice.
Huh?
So,
What happened? I'm gonna put that back. I'm not laugh. I don't know what else. This is cute, mommy. And if it does a large. I mean, yeah, but I mean, I would find like sweatshirts for the sweatpants. Yes, I would find more like that. Yes. So, I got it from somewhere. That is beautiful. Because this is not like a sweatpants, so it's like fancy. Yeah, there you go. Then you find some shoes to match. And it still have a little thickness to it. This is a suit. It's a whole suit. Like this? No?
Something feel warm like that.
This is cute, but this is
How
not
about
fun.
this?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. That is perfect. But why are they so short? They're all like crop type of thing. Larger fits? Over the coat section. Over the coat section there. I think that's something over this. So. Huh? Yeah. Burlington coat. Court. Maybe it's a court. You see, only Jamaican can't speak properly. You see, that's the thing. Quartz has an R in it. Oh, you just cut everything and just chop it up. Alright, jackets over. Oh, see, jackets and stuff over here somewhere. This is so nice. Like, this is like a nice dress up. Over nice. Not to wear, like casual, but I just say in general, it looks nice. You want one nice winter coat that may look for a fair. You want one of them here, mommy, like for me?
Yes.
This is large. I feel like you would do like more like an extra large. Or even this. The inside one. What the extra large?
Huh?
What the extra large in there? The first one?
But look at this large.
But if you fit over. I don't like this too. You just don't
Why you not like me, not like me?
She's afraid of it. I love this. More find this now extra large. Let's see if we can find it an extra large. Double. Some of their teeth sitting. Extra large I'm upper, so that's it. Maybe the blue one then. Let's go look on the sweaters over there. You don't want no sweaters. Oh, you want to look on some shoes, man? So, it's the women's over there, so man. Let me go over there, so look. You want to look at it? Oh, this is not bad, mom, but this is medium. I don't have medium for extra for something right. This is not bad, but it's medium.
Nice too.
Yeah, but it's medium. Put up on the extra large, but it's medium. You know, I want to know that I have to like look inside because since it even on the small rack, I want to come from the other one of the pound wrong rack.
Yeah, but she won't catch me like this, huh?
Eh?
Yeah.
They're all going in there? I want to go to see if I could turn around this. Guys, I am home. I am home and I apologize, but I could not. I don't know if may I get old with this vlog thing or whatever not, but Burlington stressed me out. I don't know, I'm not that girly to shop in stores, right? I'm not. I'm an online girl because it frustrates me and gives me anxiety. I cannot do it, okay? So, it started off good and everything. It was okay. But then I needed to start moving faster. The time was going. After that, we left Burlington by a lot of stuff. Leave Burlington, went to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree never really have none. All I needed were basically the cups, the foam cups. I didn't get any. Went to Stop and Shop, buy a lot of stuff there. So went to exchange stuff at Whole Foods. I went to Walmart. We're just coming in. Literally just stepping. As you can see, I still have all my clothes. This is most of the supermarket stuff that we got, including the oh, it's funny growing this one. Fitting in that place. But yeah, and then mommy stuffed them upstairs, including over there. So mommy stuffed them upstairs. I'm gonna unpack this now. I'm gonna start cooking. It's 6:01 to be exact. So I'm tired. And I'm sorry, some of this stuff I wanted to get like some boots for her. I didn't see anything that looks like that, so I have to go on Amazon and get that for her. But So far, she have everything for the cold weather. She good. Okay, yeah. Anywho, guys, I apologize again if you haven't already subscribed. But please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment under the comment section, and share. Okay. Still watch up the video. Okay. Understand? Who love me? Okay. I am starving. We haven't had anything to eat apart from breakfast this morning, so we're gonna eat something now. Okay. So until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.